Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Nike shoes are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this.
In Phase 2, the materials are engineered for maximum comfort and performance. Automated systems blend and shape the foam.
The thickness is holding steady at 2.1 millimeter, density at 99%.
Excellent. The flexibility test also passed the threshold.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Nike shoes are made. Green, corner, finish, from start to finish.
Experience the future of footwear. The Veo 3, engineered for peak performance and unparalleled comfort.